Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're at Santee National Wildlife Refuge looking for birds. Alright guys, so we just found a new species, the blue grosbeak. Okay guys, so we just saw a male painted bunting, arguably the prettiest bird in North America. Painted buntings spend the summer in the southern United States and migrate south in the winter to parts of Mexico and parts of southern Florida. Female painted buntings are more green than the males, and both males and females can be seen at feeders like this one. And right behind me are purple martins, a very large member of the swallow family. In the wild, they nest on holes in cliff sides, but people set out these gourds for them to nest in, and now that's how many of the purple martins nest. Well guys, this is going to be the end of this video. We saw a painted bunting and that's what we were shooting for, so we'll see you next time on Harrison's Backyard Birding.